try to identify and punish the offenders, and also you must do afforestation in those places.
सर हमने 34 केस किए।
नहीं आपके जवाब में और एक सवाल है।
34 केस हमने बुक किए हैं सर। ये मतलब एक तरह से बहुत ही स्ट्रिंजेंट एक्शन है। 34 केस वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट में, आईटी में, क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड में सब में बुक किए हैं। और उसकी हमने जो लॉ है उसके बहुत ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है। जो भी गलत पाया जाएगा उसको उचित कार्रवाई।
No, I will say one. I'll interrupt you. See, the forest fire comes. We reach late. It's not your fault, but everyone reaches late. And then we don't know who caused it. Whom do you prosecute? Sir, your prosecution will be a zero. You will say, I booked a case.
सर यही है बड़ा चैलेंज हमारे से पूरे देश में चैलेंज है।
I understand. So taking cover of these miscreants will wipe out the forest. See, our apprehension is nothing else. That forest is getting depleted.
सर इन्वेस्टिगेशन में हमने ये भी किया है कि जो अभी एफआरसी क्लेम सेटल नहीं हुए हैं उन्होंने तो जान के नहीं लगाई है, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द इंक्वायरी।
See, I don't
गिवन डायरेक्शंस टू द कलेक्टर्स ऑल्सो कि एफआरसी केस में जहाँ आग लगी अगर उसके पास क्लेम आप उनके सेटल मत कीजिए। जहाँ पे
areas of the See, I'll tell you what the apprehension comes from this. As I told you about this one particular case, it's classified as forests, and then your forest department officials go and say it is provisionally identified forest, but it does not qualify as forest. How do they come? And on that permission basis, they say we have no objection. I will give you that. Now, why I'm saying you all have been having these committees, which seem to be annually or biannually reviewing the status of forests. This committee seems to be reducing the forest cover, not increasing the forest cover. So our apprehension is tomorrow, now with these fires which have taken place, the forest depleted, they will review and say no forest.
Yeah.
You understand what we are saying? You are sincere because according to you, when it's a forest, we will protect. Yes. So the question is, if they go and say on the ground, there is no forest.
Exactly. Already you have made a ground.
That is why you're saying Neil.
That is
why you're saying Neil.
That is why. Wait. That is why my letter was, whichever forests have been depleted, please afforest them.
Afforest them. And
In that place itself. If you are going to do that, I think major apprehensions of the people will be satisfied.
आपने जो बात की यही मैं बताना।
हाँ, आप अभी जनता को बता दीजिए कि दूसरी जगह पे आप ये करने वाले हैं।
Already instructions there. In all divisions we are going to replant the entire.
Yeah, that we need a proper report of that.
नहीं, but इसीलिए my was stressing on this answer is now when your
representation how it was classified as forest. You all have yourselves admitted it is partly forest, and then your visit is done by your forest officer who says that permission may be given for construction. I want action against that officer who has allowed diversion of the forest. It's a private land, understanding, so it's a private forest. So now our apprehension, see, government land no one can touch. There is no worry about it. So no one can develop government land. We are concerned about the private lands. The private land from revenue.
Private forest.
Private forest means on private land. So which will be private properties, communal properties, because people are eyeing these real chunks of gold mines for people who want to grab land and develop on it. You understand?
So if you can give us the survey number.
I will give it with a specific written complaint I will give it, and ask for action against the concerned officer who has recommended. You understand? It should have come to a very high level. It should have been at your level, which you should have decided that matter. It can't be done at a RFO level who gives you the NOCs. You understand?
See, we are submitting a memorandum.
There is an instance of that Zuari land scam which came in the assembly. There is a survey number, private forest, where you have given permission for conversion, and the collector is asking in black and white, you are giving permission for this. I can show you the document. The collector is asking you that this is forest, and you are justifying. So that's why that apprehension.
Our demand is
you must afforest this land. Forestry species. Forestry species to maintain that forest cover. Without एक party forest असा, then you can't do a conversion of that land. दुसरे झाडे लायले जाल्यार ते ऑर्चर्ड जाता, मागीर ऑर्चर्ड पासून कन्वर्ट करून जाता. So this is one thing. हांवें तेका सांगला पासून तुम्ही आयडेंटिफाय केले जमीन फॉरेस्टाचे रिपोर्ट आयला फॉरेस्ट म्हणून. वयल्यान मागीर तुगे फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर गेले थिंगा आनी सांगला no, now it does not have forestry species and no forestry cover, and therefore we can allow development. एश कोण जातले फुडें हे सगळे आता फॉरेस्ट गेले ते मागीर ते रिपोर्ट दितले ऑन साइट इन्स्पेक्शन दाखोवपाक वायल इट इज क्लासिफाइड एज फॉरेस्ट सद्या फॉरेस्ट ना म्हणून आनी डेव्हलपमेंट जातले कॉन्क्रीट जंगल जातले. So this is what we have demanded. Give him a written complaint with that instance of that case. And I sangla take action against the officer because that action could not have been given. The decision could have not been given without having come right up to the chief conservator of forest and the forestry committee. So this is very important because आमचे गोंयचे जनता भिता ते सगळे मांडणी करतात गोंय काबार करपाक. हे सरकार भोंवता गोंय विकपाक, गोंय कॉन्क्रीट जंगल करपाक. सो आमचे भंय आसा की हे स्लोली आमचे रानात ते काबार करतले, फॉरेस्ट काबार करतले आनी सगळे कॉन्क्रीट जंगल येतले.
सो आता ते फायर जो वायल्ड फायर जाले त्याची कांयच इन्क्वायरी अशी कांय करू ना.
2019 ते 2022 ताजो एलएक्यू क्वेश्चन 20 ह्या मार्च असेंब्लीन ताजो उत्तर आसा की इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इज ऑन. एका सायडीन सांगता तो इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इज ऑन, दुसऱ्या सायडीन त्याच प्रश्नाचं उत्तर ताणें दिला की डॅमेज इज नील. आता तू म्हाका सांग इन्क्वायरी चालू असताना हाऊ कॅन यू से दॅट डॅमेज इज नील. सो आता तो सत्य उलयलो, ताणें सांगलें की 2019 ते 2022 आमी कसलोच इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करू ना आनी आमी कसलीच इन्क्वायरी करू ना. आनी ती जर तर ताणी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन गेल्ली तर 2023 उजो लागचो नाशिल्लो. सो म्हाका दिसता हे खंय तरी हांचेर दबाव आसता काय कितें करता म्हाका